Hello everyone, we group 2 are going to present our instructional video for our project. We decided to make a merry-go-round for this project. These are the materials that are needed to construct our product. The plywood is used as our platform, meanwhile the metal plate is used to make our base. The rod, screw and nuts are needed to make the merry-go-round framework. The hollow metals with 2 different diameters are used to make the bearing so that the product can rotate. The first thing we need to do is measuring the rod that we will use for the framework. There are 3 rods with the length of 10 cm. Next, cut the metal using steel cutter. After that, we will be going to prepare the platform, which have a length and height of 30 cm respectively. The plywood is then cut using plywood cutting machine, and it is done under the supervision of our instructor. Then, a circle with diameter 25 cm is drawn to make the platform. To cut the circle, we use circular saw. As precaution step, this activity was done under the guidance of an instructor. The platform then will need to be drilled to make holes for screws to be attached. Now we will create the base with area of 30 cm times 30 cm, which will be formed from metal plate. We then use the cutting machine to cut the metal plate to our desired size. The next step is to create the bearing using hollow metal of different diameters. The height of both hollow metals is the same at 3 cm. The metal is cut with a hacksaw after being measured. After the components have been cut and measured to size, the surfaces of the components need to be filed and smoothed using metal file. This step also important to remove the oxide layer on the surface of the part that we are going to weld later to avoid sooting and poor fitting. Let's move on to the next process, which are the welding element. To form a structure that will be divided into 3 parts, we shall weld the metal rods together. After that, the screws, which are also attached to the rod, are welded to create the handle of the merry-go-round. For our safety, the welding process is done under the supervision of our instructor. Once the welding stage is complete, the screws are tightened using the nuts. Tada! This is our final product of merry-go-round. Lastly, further improvement is done towards our product to make it more stable. Well, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.